Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to deposit money into your Gemini account in 2025. Gemini is one of the most secure and user-friendly cryptocurrency exchanges out there, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're looking to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets, funding your account is the first step. Let's dive right in and make this process straightforward and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have a Gemini account set up. If you don't, head over to the Gemini website or app and sign up. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Deposit or Fund Account section, usually found in the main dashboard or wallet area. Gemini has updated its interface for 2025, so it should be even more intuitive. Next, choose your deposit method. Options might include bank transfers, debit cards, or even wire transfers. For a seamless experience, I recommend using a linked bank account. It's often the fastest and cheapest way. Select your preferred currency, like USD, and follow the prompts to enter your details. You'll need to provide information such as your bank account number or routing number, depending on the method. After that, Gemini will guide you through any necessary verification steps. This is crucial for security, especially in 2025 with tighter crypto regulations. It might involve confirming your identity with a quick ID check or two-factor authentication. Once everything checks out, review your deposit amount and hit confirm. Processing times vary. Bank transfers could take 1 to 3 business days, while some methods are instant. One quick tip: always double-check for any fees associated with deposits, as they can add up. Gemini is transparent about this, so keep an eye on the details. And remember, once your funds are in, you're ready to start trading. There you have it, folks, a simple guide to depositing money into your Gemini account in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy investing. Thanks for watching.